Hello everybody. How there is a hole in this door step, concrete, as you see here. So somehow this is kind of being eating out of something, or maybe somebody pushed it hard or hit it, and you can see there is a hole. Almost the hole, it's about 5 inch by 6 or something. So we're trying to close up this hole, fix it, use a cement. And I'm just using a piece of wood, anything. This is a baseboard for a backup, because I need a backup. So here I have a piece of kind of a hard board, or a cardboard, but it's hard one, and this is just good enough for a backup. See, so when I put the cement in, it will stay in. Maybe I'll use another piece. So a couple pieces should be good. Okay, just like that. That should work. All I need to do now, put the cement in and close everything out. So here's the cement. Can be used a commercial grade, quick. This is a concrete cement, and it's a mason mix type S mortar, so it's good for use for building. This can work. Or there's other type of cement, which is the speed set. This is also great to dry in about an hour or half an hour, maybe 40 minutes or so. This is also good to use. So I'm gonna use this because I want to dry quickly. And I got some kind of like fine stone. I'll use this on the top of the cement before dry as a texture, so it's going to non-slip. So speed set, thin mortar, and so on. Maybe this is not enough. I'll add some more here. ايه خويا. ايه خلصت.